Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Aussie US dollar, we are definitely pushing up, and I still think that more than likely this is going to go down. This possibly could still be like a wave B, like I was saying yesterday. I think this is possibly going to play out in like an ABC correction, especially looking at the dollar index as my guideline. So I'm still looking at most likely something like this, maybe the 61 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement before we actually end up continuing the uptrend again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, you could possibly be looking for longs if you trade the short time frames, but I would be very, very cautious about this because, corrections can be very, very messy. It could possibly, not even take out the previous highs, not even hit the 61% and just go down. You would expect it, maybe to go up and grab all this liquidity that's been sitting here, grab the 61 and a 78% fib and then break down. This is more likely what I would expect to see. But like I said, I definitely am not trading it to the long side, assuming that that's going to happen, because it doesn't really even necessarily have to do that. It could potentially go down at any point because of the daily time frame momentum that we're looking at. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.